Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low commode. Low commodes offer enhanced accessibility and comfort, especially for individuals with mobility considerations. We'll cover the proper techniques for safe sitting and standing, ensuring you feel secure and supported. Additionally, I'll guide you through effective hygiene practices to keep your commode clean and fresh. Understanding these simple steps will make using your low commode a much more comfortable and dignified experience every time. To sit safely, approach the commode directly, ensuring your legs are positioned correctly. Slowly lower yourself, engaging your leg muscles and using any available grab bars for stability. When standing, lean slightly forward, pushing up primarily with your legs. Maintain a steady gaze forward to help with balance. This controlled movement minimizes strain and reduces the risk of falls, making the process smooth and secure. Always prioritize your stability throughout. Maintaining hygiene is crucial for a pleasant experience. Always flush the commode immediately after use to prevent odors and keep the bowl clean. For regular cleaning, use a mild disinfectant spray and a soft cloth to wipe down the seat, lid, and exterior surfaces. Aim to clean the commode at least once every few days. Proper ventilation, perhaps with an exhaust fan, also helps keep the bathroom air fresh and free from moisture buildup. To further enhance your comfort and accessibility, consider a few additions. A padded commode seat can significantly improve comfort, especially during longer periods of use. Installing sturdy grab bars on the walls adjacent to the commode provides invaluable support for sitting and standing. Ensure these are securely mounted at an appropriate height. Finally, good lighting in the bathroom is essential for clear visibility, preventing missteps and ensuring safety around the commode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.